Hey guys, so it's my first ever video. This is gonna be like a get ready with me Instagram glam type of video. I know a lot of you guys have been requesting makeup videos and like, you know, tutorials and whatnot, and I'm gonna try to upload pretty frequently. Just give me suggestions of what you guys want to see because I will do them. I will freaking do them. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get to the video. So here I'm using Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium, and y'all, I highly recommend this concealer to the gods. Like, it's the best. I'm gonna use my Morphe 350 palette. Shout out to Amber for getting this for me. What a queen, but it's fairly new. Let me get a brush real quick. I'm gonna take a flat brush. I'm gonna take this really pale ass matte color and put that as like a base before I put anything else on. Now I'm gonna take my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm gonna take like a chocolate brown color like this one. It's this color, but I'm gonna put that on my crease. Oh yeah guys, and I'm just using like this random ass like fluffy kind of brush, and I'm just gonna keep blending that into my crease, and I'm kind of focusing it on the outer corner. I'm gonna use my Modern Renaissance palette. I'm gonna take Venetian Red, this pinky, I don't know how to explain it, magenta color I guess, and then I'm gonna put that on the crease as well and kind of like mix it in with the first color we just put on, but also focusing on the outer corner. So I'm gonna go in with my Tartelette in blue. If you're a beginner and you kind of want to start off with like a regular palette, I really recommend this one because it doesn't have that many colors, but it still has like a good variation. And if you really like natural looks, then get this palette. I'm gonna take these two. We're gonna put it in the outer corner right here and just do it lightly. I'm kind of creating like a 7. Now I'm gonna create like cut crease, but it's only gonna be like half of a cut crease. So it's gonna go from here and then it's gonna end right there. And I'm gonna use the Shape Tape concealer, and then I'm gonna take like a really small concealer brush. I always start from the inner corner and I make my way up. And once you get to the middle, start blending it out. So what I'm gonna use is this Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. This is in Rose Gold Retro. And then I'm gonna just apply that on the whole white part of the cut crease. So I went on and did my eyeliner, but I made sure they were hella dramatic, cause you know, go big or go home, you feel me? Now I have two foundations, my MAC foundation, and then I recently bought my Fenty one. I'm in the color 330. It's a little too orange for me, but I can work with it. I'm gonna use my Shape Tape concealer. If you look like a dumbass, you're doing it right. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. Shout out to my friend Morgan for giving this to me. My mom just came in the video and gave me a whole bag of hot Cheetos. What a damn G. I'm using Laura Mercier. ASMR for you. I'm just gonna sit for a moment. We are gonna use this big fluffy brush. I put on blush, but you can barely tell, so. Okay, y'all. So I just put on my lashes. I don't know if I want to use this highlight or this highlight. We're gonna use this one. That's all for makeup. Now let's change all this and all that. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So I did put in my contacts. Everyone's like, oh my god, Francesca, your eye just fucking changed. I put on contacts. Chill. So I did my hair. I slicked it flicked it down into a low pony. Thank you guys for watching my video. I really enjoyed making this. It's been super fun, and it actually took me 3 hours to film around that time period because I've been taking breaks and all that. I went from a toad to less of a toad. So yeah, bye guys.